Well, here is the two ways on how you can delete photos on Facebook. Well, if you're using mobile, you can open up Facebook, right? So what you can do is open up Facebook, head into your profile, and once you head into your profile, you'll be able to see photos section. You can head into it. From here, you can head into that particular photos and you'll be able to tap on three dots and you'll find the delete photo option, confirm it, and you can proceed to delete it. Right now I'm not deleting this, but similarly the other way is you can head into albums. Now you can select the particular album here and you can head into the album and you can delete it. Now previously you would be able to delete the album as well, but as you can see currently I'm unable to do so, right? The other option is here now to delete is, now instead of deleting, what you can do is you can tap on three dots and you can archive it. So you can archive the post or you can edit the post privacy to set it to private. So now this is the image. So to archive the particular post, you'll have to head into the post on your profile, right? And then you can tap on three dots and you'll be able to find the move to archive option. This way your post will be deleted from your profile. No one else will be able to see it except for you, and you too won't be able to view it on your profile. It'll be removed from your profile entirely. You'll have to head into three dots, head into archive, and you can head into post archive to view the archived post. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.